What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Barnbridge. As you guys can clearly see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing: a major increase in value. As you can see, 22% up in the last 24 hours, and I wouldn't say it's from the last 24 hours, but I'll say from early this morning. It was fluctuating around $5.15, and right now pumped up to $6.18 right now. So yeah, over the last couple of hours we've seen major increases in value, not just on Barnbridge but most cryptos out there. As you guys can see, there's a lot of top gainers here, meaning the whole crypto market is slowly starting to go up in value. So today's focus is Barnbridge. Is it too late to buy? Is it a good time to invest? Is it a good time to sell if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 and next year 2023. Is it a crypto worth investing into, and if so, when should you invest, and so on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and Barnbridge has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. So yeah, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 6% in value in a single hour. Over the last day, 23%. Over the week, 5%. We can see it dropping for most of the week and right now pumping back up. And over the month, there's an overall 13% down. We have seen peaks here and there early September, as you can see, hitting $7.53 and then dropping down in value ever since, and right now has pumped up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 600% in the last 24 hours, making it $44 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Barnbridge. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's one of the top gainers and is getting a lot of attention. As you can see, 67% buy against 33% sell. So yeah, we do have a huge amount of money being invested into Barnbridge. So let's get straight into it. We are looking at the daily chart on the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Barnbridge at $5.81. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $6.13, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, looking quite steep as well. The only reason for that, I would say, is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. This made the graph think it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, but as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours. Yes, we are going to see a pump up. We are going to see a drop back down. It's going to be volatile up and down. But the overall outcome of the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to drop below the $6 mark by the end of the day today. But again, that doesn't mean we're not going to see any more green candlesticks. We are going to see it. It may even pump up to about 630, 640 and then drop back down in value. So it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome at this point, it seems to be more on the negative side from where it's trading at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very steep, which is not realistic at all. Exact same reason applies here. So over the coming days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting once again an overall drop in value from Barnbridge, dropping to around $5.50 or below is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. And again, that also does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's up and green and down and red. Again, it's going to be volatile, but what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side, dropping around this $5.50 or below. So guys, those of you asking, is it a good time to invest right now? If you are in for the long term, then yes, it may be, but even then I will wait for it to drop down in value. And if you're on a short term, it's a very risky time to invest into it, as it can drop down anytime. And yeah, personally, it's not worth the risk. I would wait for it to drop and then invest into it if you really want to invest into Barnbridge. But right now, I wouldn't invest into this crypto, is what I'm saying. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks not looking too steep anymore, but what we do have is the orange line just about flat out going in a straight line. What we can see is slightly slanting towards the positive direction as well, and the blue line is also looking bullish, looking a little bit more steep, looking a little bit more clear that is going in a positive direction. So guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value over the coming weeks. So late October, early November, we should expect it to trade at around $7.50 to $8 is what my predictions are at the moment. However, you never know guys, with any major crypto crash that may happen or major bull runs that can happen, it can have a major impact on the value of Barnbridge. But again, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good guys. It looks like we are going to be slowly gaining value over the coming weeks, and again, the keyword here is minimal increase in value. Don't expect it to have a major increase or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. Now let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. However, as you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and we are very far away from hitting the resistance target to hit the green zone, which is $38.47, and we are trading at just about $6 right now, meaning we're going to have to go for a good 500 to 600% increase for us to even hit the resistance target, which I'm not expecting anytime soon from Barnbridge. So more or less for the rest of this year and most of next year, is very likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an opposite direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, so far so good guys. Hopefully we should be able to slowly gain value over the coming weeks and months as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Barnbridge guys. I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of things around Barnbridge that you guys have been saying, a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below what your expectations are from Barnbridge. Are you guys expecting it to pump up more over the coming weeks and months for the rest of 2022, or are you guys expecting it to drop back down in value? Comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.